What's going on, guys? So I have a 2019 Toyota Yaris right here. Today we're going to be installing the Auxito LED lights. Also, I have a LED reverse lights right here. So they've been sending me LED lights for about a couple years now or so. I have it on my 2007 Ford Mustang and my Honda CR-V. These LED lights are really awesome and they last a long time. I haven't had any problems on them at all. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and we're gonna install it on my wife's 2019 Toyota Yaris. I believe it's the same for Mazda 3. I'm not sure what year, but I'll put it down in the description. And if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll have the link down below if you guys want to order it. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it in this Toyota Yaris. So real quick, it came in this box right here. Really nice box, well packaged as well. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this one first. There we go. So it came with some gloves. It came in this one right here. That's the light bulb. It's well packaged. We're gonna install it on the driver's side first, and then we're gonna compare it. I already have an LED light in this, but it's not really that bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it on this one, and you guys will be able to see the difference. Got my gloves. So we're gonna start on the driver's side right here. All you gotta do is unhook this metal clip right here. So take that out. This is the old light bulb that I have right here. And all you gotta do is disconnect this wiring harness right here, separate it from that light bulb right there. That's the old one right here. Really nice. So we're gonna go ahead. All you gotta do is align it with that wiring harness. So it's got 3 prongs right there. Just align it right onto that. Okay, now that we have the wiring harness installed, we're gonna go ahead and insert the light bulb. You need to twist it to the right way. You're gonna feel it just drop and lock in place. Then you have a metal clip. Let me see if I can get the right angle for you guys. Push that metal clip down and then lock it to the left. So the metal clip locks in right there. That's how you install this one right here. Passenger side is going to be a little bit easier because you have plenty of room, but we're going to turn this on right now. We're going to leave that stock and we'll see what it looks like. So right off the bat, you can tell that the Auxito is way brighter than that one right here. Go in this angle right here. That's the Auxito one. This is the stock light bulb. So this one is supposed to be bright, but it's not bright enough for my wife. So I figured, you know what, I'll put some Auxito in this one, and you can already tell that this is way brighter. That's the Auxito one right here. That's the regular light bulb right here. All right, I'm gonna stop right here, turn the lights off, turn it back on. Look how bright that is. I don't know about you guys, but I want to be able to see where I'm going when I'm driving at night. That's the reason why I installed these on my wife's car, because she's having trouble driving at night. Well, I don't think she's gonna have that problem again. So this is the reverse light bulb right here. That's what it looks like. So to replace that, you're gonna have the trunk open, and you got these tabs right here. You can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver, just my fingers. Then you're gonna pull this one, or actually there's one more right here. There we go. Out. Then you should be able to access. Press on that tab, remove that wiring harness. There we go, that's the light bulb. Remove that light bulb, then you can install this one right here. And we're gonna put the connector back on. We're gonna see what it looks like. All right, that's really bright. This is the Auxito one, that's the stock one. I mean, you can see the difference for sure. So I have both of the reverse LED light bulb installed. You can see how bright those are. I mean, it lights up the ground too. Another good thing about having reverse LED light bulbs is when you put it on reverse and if you have a backup camera, you can see everything. Look how bright that is. All right, so my wife's gonna put it on reverse so you guys can see how bright they are.
That's so bright.
They're really bright. Look at that. So bright you can see my son's face at night. All right, and that's how you install the Auxito LED light bulb and the reverse light bulb. So if you guys want one of these, just click the link down below in the description. These are definitely worth it. You can see how bright they are and they last long. But yeah, check them out. Click the link down below, guys, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching.